Aviana.
Aviana's pretty in pink.
Well, pretty in pink. And we got the green on over here. It's cooler than yesterday morning.
Most definitely, Micah. Some of us are seeing up to 10 degrees cooler than this time yesterday, but still a nice start to the day, though. We're not dealing with extremely breezy conditions heading out for your Thursday morning. We're sitting at 40 degrees right now in Marlin and Cameron, 49 degrees right now in Killeen, 46 in Hamilton. So some of us already are on the cusp of those upper 40s as we head out the door this morning, but we're in store for breezy conditions. Not so much to start the day, though. As we take a check in Killeen right now, east winds pushing in up to 3 miles per hour. So they're just now picking up on a light breeze to start off their day, but we can expect to see gusty winds into the afternoon and evening. Wind speeds will continue to pick up as we roll into lunchtime. We're talking winds pushing in between 10 to 15 miles per hour and gusty up to 30. So much of how we seen yesterday, we can expect the same for Thursday. However, the difference is more cloud cover will build in. We're going to start the day off mostly sunny and in the low 40s. By lunchtime, that's when we'll see those partly cloudy conditions pushing in and temperatures increasing up to 66 degrees. Today, we can expect a high of 72, so a nice afternoon of weather is shaping up for us all as we head into those low 70s. But since I mentioned those breezy conditions, today is a day you want to avoid outdoor burning once again. The elevated fire threat continues for us today and into Friday as well. Here's a check of current burn bans that are in place across our counties. Make sure you take heed to these burn bans and avoid outdoor burning altogether. That includes disposing of your smoking items properly and not letting any change drag the ground if you're maybe dragging a trailer or another car, because those could also spark fires that could spread very quickly and rapidly with the dry and breezy conditions we're going to hang on to over the next couple of days. Rain-wise, we're going to see those chances for storms pushing in as we get ready to head into the weekend. Friday, temperatures are warming into the mid to upper 80s for highs. Not much rain expected through the day, but by Friday night, as we await that front crossing, the chance for showers will pick up and carry over into Saturday. We're talking nearly a 20-degree temperature drop into Saturday behind that cold front system. Low 60s on the way into the weekend, and then we're going to start off our mornings cooler once again for Sunday. But the great news is the rain clears out on Sunday, and like I mentioned, mostly dry throughout early Friday as well. A little bit of cloud cover to start the day, some clearer conditions by the afternoon, and then the chance for some isolated activity moves in by our Friday evening, continuing into early Saturday morning. Now, Saturday right now is only showing just rain showers, but we could see some isolated to severe storms rolling through early Saturday morning associated with that cold front crossing. Rain is going to hang in the forecast throughout lunchtime on Saturday and continue to shift towards the east throughout the rest of the evening. Most of us are drying out throughout Saturday night, but some lingering showers could definitely be left behind. Now, Saturday's rainfall does bring a level 1 marginal risk to our viewing area. We're talking hail being the main concern, along with damaging winds. Right now, everybody not under this risk zone. It mainly remains right now along I-35 and eastward as we continue throughout the weekend, though. Your 6 News Weather Impact team will keep you informed on the possible threat for severe storms pushing in. But we will be cooler behind that front for sure into the weekend, into the low 60s. And then next week, beautiful weather in store. Sunshine and temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s return as we head into next week. Your 6 News Weather Impact team will always have continued coverage available for free. Download our 6 Plus app on your TVs to watch more.